shared all the videos. Are you able to see my videos?
Yeah,
You got it, right?
I can see in YouTube.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So today, last week, whatever we discussed about the locators, and we have some examples also we tried, but that's not enough. We will go with the little bit more, okay? Few examples. With examples you want,
Yeah.
right? So that is what we will
Yeah.
give some examples. Okay. Now, uh, this is the one. Okay. Let me create a new one. Okay. This will be new
Yeah.
file.
Now we need to know how to locate H, how to locate D using locator,
Yeah.
right?
What is that?
Real time.
How to look at?
How to write program for each we need to do practice, isn't it?
No. Different types of locators we will see with some different
Yeah.
examples. With some different examples. So actually,
Yeah.
you need to understand. See, for example, in this sheet, whatever I explained, get by
Yeah.
role we somewhat we discussed, right? What are all the roles
Yeah.
we can mention? If you see in this down, these are all the
Yeah.
roles is possible. Button, text,
Yeah.
link, checkbox, radio, all these things you can do. For example, based on this tag, you have to make it as this role. Role should be this,
Yeah.
right? Based on this, role should be this. This and all we discussed. But
Yeah.
other than that, next, if you go to next one, what is in the next? The next one is the get by text. Get by
Text.
text. So it means if there is a text in the UI for that particular one, so you can use the get by text. For example, if I go to here, let me create a new file. Okay, new file. Get by text, for example.
Yeah.
Dot spec dot case.
Yeah.
Where is that? Where is that? Ah, okay. So for this, first what we need is yesterday, whatever we had, I will close this. We understand all those things. Now this is not locators, right? So first we need to write the import this. Okay. I'm just
Yeah.
noting this. This is to import. And
Yeah.
first step always. Now what
Yeah.
you have to do, you have to write the test. Okay.
Test.
So how you are writing this test? I'm just copy pasting. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get by role, right? So what it should be?
Yeah.
Get by, sorry, get by
Text.
text. Get
Yeah.
text practice.
Yeah.
Get by text practice. And then what is this? You want to just automate
Go to the page.
this one. First we have to
Yeah.
launch this.
Go to the.
First we have to launch
Yeah.
this, right? Okay. Await.
Yeah.
We have to launch this. And you have to close this. For example, I will write
Close.
first and last, and I will close it. In middle, we will play whatever we want.
Yeah.
We can write whatever we want. Now, why this is red color? 624. Okay, now it is gone, right? So if you
Yeah.
see, first we are launching. After that, any one object, we will take it and we will check for the page dot get by page dot
Text.
get by text, right? For example,
Text.
how to do that? Again, it should start with the await page dot get.
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, this is there already. We saw that. Okay, let me see here. Await page dot
Get by text.
get by text. Page dot get
Yeah.
by text. And in brackets, you have to give the text. In brackets, you have to
Text.
give the text.
Oh. Yeah.
So, for example, I will take which application we are doing. This application. We'll go quick.
Yeah.
We'll go quickly. No worries. So this is the one. This is the one. This is the one. Okay, now let's try something else. Okay, let's try something else. Image is always
Yeah.
tough only. We'll see later. For example, this one is there. Okay,
Yeah.
subscription is there. Let me right click.
Yeah.
Let me right click. And what we are trying?
Yeah.
Text. For example, inspect.
Inspect.
For example, inspect.
Yeah.
Okay. In this inspect, if you see there is a subscription is there.
Header. Subscription header. Yeah.
Is there. So can we do with text or not? We will try. So there
Yeah.
are multiple ways we can try. What I can do is, okay, what we can do is, we know our browser plugin, right? This is the Playwright one. What is selectors hub?
Yeah.
Selectors hub. So let me click on this. Let me take
Yeah.
and click on this subscription. When you click on this subscription, get by role, locator, all these things came. Get by role came. Get by text is not came. Get by
Hmm.
is not came. So this one, it is very difficult to find with the text. That is what it means. For example, if I
Yeah.
also, it will not identify. Let's try. We will try and see. Get by
Yeah.
text. What is there in the text? What is there in the text? Subscription is there, for example.
Yeah.
This is the one, right? We are trying to do. So here subscription is there, right? Now what we can,
Yeah.
we will debug and check.
To be visible.
We will debug and check whether it is visible
Yeah.
or not.
To be visible.
To be visible, we can do, or directly with debug, I will try and show you.
Yeah.
Now with debug, example. Okay, let's try. Actually, whether in this we have that option or not. So what you told is right. We will try with the to be visible is best. To be visible.
Yeah.
But
Visible.
for that we need the accept. For that we need what? Accept. Expect. For that we need
Accept.
the
Expect. Yeah.
expect to be visible.
Expect.
Uh,
Yeah.
so here,
Wait. Expect. Page or text tag.
wait, expect this
Page or gateway text. Then
dot
close to be
be visible.
visible.
To be visible or displayed something. Whether is visible to be visible. Right? This is equal to result. For example, if it is visible, it should give console dot log
Log secret
of
pass.
result. Console dot log of result. What is the result? This result should come there.
Yeah.
For example, if it is
Result. If
is
you have
or
subscription,
false,
it will give
come here.
result.
If it is
Yeah.
true comes, it is visible. If it is false, it is
Yeah.
not visible, right?
Not visible.
And let us just run then. Okay, let us just run.
Yeah.
E to E in E to E. What is this? Get by text. Get by text. This is the one. I'm just direct running. I'm not debugging. Don't want to waste time. We can
Yeah.
this console.log. Actually,
Yeah.
I will explain this peak locator how to use. It is easy to do that. Let me show you also after this. Because with CodeGen we tried, right? So it is similar
Yeah.
to that only, but easy than that. Easy than that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now this page is open. This page is
Yeah.
here. Okay, now if you see it is failed. Why it is failed? Get by text properties. This is the one failed context. Console.log result. Result is not
Because
fine.
we didn't get by
Right.
text, isn't it? It's not a text. That extension tool, they didn't mention the text.
Can you come again?
Yeah, and the Google extension, the
No,
Chrome
actually,
extension,
to
it's
be visible should be like this, right? To be visible should be like
yeah.
this. That is also one issue, I guess.
Open bracket cross bracket, yeah.
Exactly. Okay. Now let's run.
Then semicolon. Semicolon also.
Semicolon not required actually. That is the JavaScript specific. That is not mandatory in the JavaScript. But this is this method, right? Based on this, is it
Yeah. Yeah.
now what is the result is not defined. Result is not defined. Result is not defined. We'll see. Okay, for this, what is the return value? Return should be return. Result is not defined means it is not defined. If I do like this, let's see. It is not defined, right? We are not defined.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, let it ready this Copilot. Why there is much time? Okay, this is not, we are not closing this. That is the reason? Don't know. Let's see. Error came. Target page context of browser has been closed. Okay, let me run. I thought that was the old window and I closed it. Okay, now it is open.
It's going to be fake because it's taking too much time.
No, passed. You observe?
Fast.
Passed. But result is
Yeah.
undefined only coming. Result is undefined only coming. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see, to be visible, right? To be visible,
Yeah.
usage, await, expect, param options. Be visible. But it is not failed. See, if it is not there, it will fail actually. This step will
Yeah.
fail. This await, expect will fail. See,
Yeah, that's true.
I will tell you one thing. I will remove this.
Yeah. It will fail.
Otherwise, I will do this name.
Yeah,
Disruption.
it will fail.
It should fail, right? Let me try.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask one more thing to be visible, right? What is the return value for this? Let us see. Okay, we need to understand what is the return. What is the return value for the below step of code? Okay, now the screen is open here. Now the screen is open. Yeah, it should fail now.
Yeah, sure.
See,
Definitely fail.
it is failed. It is failed, and
Yeah.
it is failed. And what it is saying, see, you can understand few details here. Okay, you can understand few details here. Locator get by text description expected visible timeout 5000 milliseconds. So it means it's waited for 5000 milliseconds, means 5 seconds. So you need to understand.
Yeah.
And error element
Yeah.
found. This is the error. For example, in interview they will ask you, if you are giving if you are running this kind of thing, if the text is not there, what is the error you will get? Element not found. Element not
Yeah.
found. This is the error.
And found.
Call log is expect to be visible with timeout 500 seconds waiting for the get by. Okay, this is what it is
Yeah.
coming. So it means whenever you are giving the correct value, it will be passing. It is passing.
Pass.
So for example, one more thing. Optimized tool selection, right? Okay. Returns promise. Okay. This returns a promise. That is why it is not giving any value.
Sure.
It returns a promise.
Yeah.
For example, it returns a promise. It returns a promise. Okay. That is why. Okay. Now it's fine, right? Okay. Now
Yeah.
to understand this get by text, it is working. Get by text, it is working. You understand? With get by
Yeah.
text, we are able to test that. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we will go with the another one. We will go with another one now. So that's enough, right? You want any more details about the
Yeah.
get by text? So like
No,
that,
I
we can
got it.
try with the different get by text. Now, get by label.
Yeah.
We will try with the get by label.
Can we copy just that bit heading our Google Chrome thing? Can you hide this one and just copy the Google extension heading,
Google it.
whatever the Google extension gave us for the subscription? Can you go to other page?
Which page? This page?
Yeah. Can you copy that? Nice. That get by role. A wait page, get by role, heading, name, subscription.
This one, first one. You want me
Yeah.
to copy this? Okay.
Yeah. Then run it instead of that thing.
Okay, we'll try. Okay, if you click this, it will copy.
Yeah.
Okay, we will remove this letter now because it is not
Yeah.
a written value. It is returning the promise. It is not returning any string
Yeah.
or anything. That's the problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Now okay, that's already done. So now await page dot get by role heading name subscription, right? So you want to
Sure.
check whether this is there or not. I will just comment this.
Yeah. To be visible.
Yes.
Yeah. Expectant to be visible. Dot. No, we don't need it. No. Yeah. Dot. We didn't. Dot missing, isn't it? To be in before to be visible.
To be visible dot that is missing.
Yeah.
And this is the one not required, I guess. Something is there. 1 second. So this is expect.
One more bracket, isn't it?
Bracket is
We
there.
need
This bracket is there. And the
one
code bracket where it is missing.
after expect one bracket. That expect bracket we didn't close it, isn't it?
But I given this bracket, but it is not accepted. Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's accepted.
Okay, now get by role we are testing, right? Let's run this.
Yeah.
So,
I just want to see heading. Is it texting heading? How it's tested?
yeah, it is purely
Because
testing, right? We saw that H1 or H2, right?
yeah.
You have seen that. So this way also you can do, or that way also you can do. You'll see. Yeah, it is passed,
Yeah.
right? It is passed. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
now let's create for the get by label. Okay. Get
Yeah.
label. What is this? No, sorry. I clicked run now. Clicked run. Why new test is copy. Page title automation exercise. Actually, I ran the run instead of new file. Okay, that is why this is running. You observed, I guess.
Yeah.
New file. Actually, I have to go here. Sorry. Yeah, here. Get by
Oh,
dot
label.
label. Get by label dot spec dot js. Spec dot js.
Yeah.
Now let me copy this as it is. Okay, let me copy everything at this moment and we will remove that whatever we don't want. Now I'm going to remove this. Okay, now if you see,
Yeah.
still running. No, it's gone. Okay, and if you see, we need the label. Okay. For example, okay, let me record this.
Yeah.
Now it is started recording, right? When you click on
Yeah.
record, when you click on record, when you click on record, okay, now there should be when you click on record, this browser is open. This browser is
Yeah.
So it means when you run a npx playwright code gen, also it will do like this, right? The same
Yeah.
happening if you click on this record. Now it is open. Now what you want to do? You want to what is this?
Launch website first.
Want to open the application, right?
Website. Yeah.
Website. So you are opening this. You are done. But where is that file? Okay. Anyways, now if you see, there is a pick locator is there. If you click this pick locator, if you click the pick locator, and you can come here, and you can see whatever you want here. Whatever you want here,
Yeah.
right? For example, video tutorials. If I click here, what is happening? There is a playwright one tab is there. Have you observed? There is a playwright tab
Yeah.
there. In your VS Code also, it will be there. That is came because of this extension. That is came because of
Yeah.
playwright extension. So here, if you see, it is suggesting you get by role. It is suggesting you get
Yeah.
by role. This is the locator it is suggesting. So it is similar to the
Yeah.
code gen recording. It is the similar to the code
Yeah.
recording to find the peak locators. This way also you can
Yes.
start. Got it?
Yeah.
So, okay. Now we want to see there is that application. Yeah, it is there. So in this, currently what we are going to do, get by, why this is becoming like this. Okay, now it's fine. Now get by label, right? Get by label. Okay. So for get by
Yeah.
label, we are trying to do. For example, this is having any get by label. Let's see any label it is identified. No. Okay, let's try some other objects. Any object is showing
Yeah.
me. See, everything
But
does not have.
yeah. Yeah, I
Every,
got idea actually what it is actually.
yeah. And we'll go to test cases. Okay. And we'll take this. For example, if I take so what is the subscription thing? But it is always not refreshing. You have to just try this. Okay, let's try it this way. What is this inspect? Okay, this inspect,
Mm.
there any label is there. If there is a label option is there, you can use that. If there is a label
Yeah.
option here only, you can use that. For example, here label. Okay, this is not okay. There is a label, for example, like that you
Yeah.
type Arial label. This subject. This subject. I don't know. Okay, this one if you right click copy,
Yeah.
so you will get
Yeah.
different details here also. And but this is not sometimes not working, it looks like. Still it is heading only showing. Observe
Yeah.
this one something issue. Okay. So if there is a label, you can take that. Okay. You got an idea. So what is the syntax?
Yeah.
So the syntax will be get by
Get by label.
get, get by label. And you can add the label there. You can add the label
Yeah.
to be visible. The same thing. Okay. Now
Yes.
this is for the label. And also placeholder. So there will be some places placeholder also there. So let me close this.
Yeah.
Not there. There is no placeholder. Okay, there is one placeholder. Looks like yeah, required placeholder. Some
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
But this is also not exactly like the placeholder. Let's see what it is giving. Any copy pen copy. What is the spot it is giving? Let me look. 1 second. Let me click and paste it here. What is coming? It is given the ID only. It is given the ID only here. If I take a copy the CSS selector. So what is the CSS selector? It is given. This is also ID. Okay. So it is if there is a placeholder is there also, you can try with the if it is ID is there, the first preference will be go to the ID only. The first preference
Yeah.
will be go to the ID. That is why it is not giving. So now like this, if there is anything only, we will go all those things. If it is the title, you can
Yeah. Title. Yeah. I got it.
test ID. There is also attribute called the test ID also. So these are the test ID. Okay, now important thing is CSS selector. You need to understand the CSS selector. Okay? Let me tell you this little bit more.
That's for designing selection.
What is that?
Are they checking pictures,
Sorry, what is the question?
style? CSS selector is for the style checking,
No,
isn't
no, no,
it?
not like that, not like that. See, CSS selector is one of the locator. So it is like a very quickly it will identify. This is the one type of selector, I can say. So this if there is
Okay.
also we are going to use the ID. There is also we are going to use the class. There is also we are going to use the tag. But it is one type.
Yeah.
It is something one type of thing. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, CSS selector. CSS selector. So, few things you need to understand about the CSS selector. CSS selector. Okay, there is a couple of 4 ways, I guess 3 to 4 ways we can do with the CSS selector. So those are all I will tell you. I will just mess. Yeah, these are the 5 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types. So tag and ID, tag and class, tag and attribute, tag, class and attribute, and inner text. All these five
Mm-hmm.
types we can do with the CSS selector. All these five we
Yeah.
can do. Why this is like copied here? These are all we are done. So if you go to CSS selector here, CSS selector here, this is the our locator, right? This,
Yeah.
in this locator, so for example, if you see there is a hash and username is there. So it means for example, there is some symbols also there. I will tell you. Okay. So tag ID and ID, right? So for tag and ID,
Yeah.
For tag and ID, we can write like this. CSS is equal to tag hash ID.
Yeah.
Tag hash tag hash ID. It means, for example, we can write like this. CSS selector is
Mm-mm.
equal to CSS selector is equal to input hash email, for example.
Mm-mm.
So CSS is equal input is the tag name and
Mm-mm.
the ID, right? ID we are giving
Yeah.
hash and ID. Okay. And example,
Yeah.
if there is any ID, if you see in our application, if you see this one is there. For this, we have a ID. For this, we have a
Yeah.
ID, right? ID.
ID.
What is the ID? Subscribe email. Subscribe email.
Yeah.
The ID. So it means for this, let me copy this. Subscribe to email. So here CSS is equal to hash. CSS is equal to hash subscribe email. Hash subscribe
Mm-mm.
email. So it means
Mm.
CSS is equal to subscribe email. Example. So this is the locator. That's it. You can mention this or not tag. You can mention or not mention also fine. But here, what is
Mm-mm.
the tag here? The tag is input. The tag is input. So here also you can give the input. If you have not mentioned also, it will fine. I will show you. I will show you here. For example, this is the object, right? I will right click.
Yeah.
I will right click and copy. If you go to the copy selector, if you go to the copy selector, what is coming? If you go to the copy selector, what is coming? See here, I pasted. What is came? Hash subscribe email.
Subscribe
So it means
email.
ID is subscribe email. It is saying to you,
Mm.
ID is subscribe email. This hash is indicates it is a ID. Hash indicates it is
Okay.
a ID, right? Like that. So you can give input hash subscribe email or just subscribe email also you can write. So let's write in our code also, right? For example, what we are trying to do, page dot label under the label. Oh, sorry, not label. Okay, this is what is the syntax here? I showed you, no? What is the syntax here?
Page dot
Locator. Page dot locator.
locator. Locator.
Locator. So page dot locator.
Tag dot.
Page dot locator. And in
Yeah.
brackets, you need to write the CSS selector.
Yes,
In
is
brackets,
selected.
you need to write the CSS selector. So here, what is the CSS selector? This name, this is the CSS selector. This entire thing also CSS selector. So I'm just writing
Yes.
CSS selector to be visible. So which
Yeah.
object should be identified? Which object? You remember? What is that object? This is the object. This one is that object. You observe left side?
Jet.
This edit box,
Place order.
input box,
Yeah.
this input box, right? So actually one more option is there to understand for us. Well, one second. Page dot, we are using the to be visible, right? Instead of that, die. So highlight option also I remember. Yeah, there is a highlight option also there. So it will go
Mm.
there and it will highlight also that. Let's see. Let's see. This highlight it should be bracket. It's a method. To be visible also method. So it should be like this then.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to run get by label. I'm going to run get by label. It is going to. So where is that get by label? Get by label. I will go here. I will go
We
here.
remove.
Yeah,
Yeah.
get by label, and I'm just running. Just running. Okay. Actually,
Highlight is wrong.
get by label.
Highlight is wrong.
But get by label. But this is another one, right? Anyway. So what is the wrong here? Target page context of browser has been closed. Why it is closed? We are not closed, no? Okay. Here also we need to give the await like this. Okay.
Wait. Okay,
And,
good.
and this is not the label actually. This is the what we are trying, CSS, right? We are trying with the C.
Mm-mm.
We create here. This is, I will just name change, okay?
Yeah,
Name, label, CSS all together in the one file, okay? Is
yeah.
label CSS, but label we close it, but anyway. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, let me run this.
Yeah.
What is the led by label? Led by label CSS. Okay. 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 Yes, it is passed. It is passed.
Good. Yeah.
But the highlight how it is working. Let me tell you. Highlight you want to see, right? If you see the highlight, it is easy to understand. I will go to here and I will just make it within the slow motion. Enable. I will save it. And this is the CSS. I will just run this again. You will see that also. Get by label CSS.
Is it actually locator is the CSS object?
Wait.
Because using locator only we are identifying, isn't it? Page dot
Exactly.
locator instead.
Exactly. Exactly. Now it is launched. It is launched. Directly locator. Page dot directly
Yeah.
locator we are giving. In that locator, we can do many things. We can give the CSS selector. We can give the
Yeah.
we can give
First.
the export, but it is not slow motion. What is the slow motion given? We given 10,000, but it is going very fast. But anyway, so it is passing. It's
Yeah.
fine. It's fine, right? So
So
this
CSS identification we are doing through the locator.
exactly, that's a good point. You caught it, right? So if you see here in this, where is that CSS? Okay, get by. Okay.